Good morning, everyone. We're here at the Guidance Counselor. We're with Mr. Gerald Gonzalez, our psychometrician, and we're going to interview him about the school health related. Our first question, sir, is what is your role and strategies as a member of the school health team here in Crystal College?
For me, my strategies and as a role, my role here in Crystal E is a psychometrician. So mainly, I conduct tests, I assess, I interpret tests. So my strategies on the mental health or the physical health of students, I ensure that the test that I am giving to them is very helpful for their physical and mental health. As a psychometrician, we ensure that the quality of tests that we give to the students are equipped with necessary interventions and necessary programs that will help students become more responsible with their problems, responsible with their health, and responsible with their physical health. So I will give also a very evident example about how my role is very useful in this team here in Crystal E. So we have a so-called in psychology exercise and sports psychology. So in sports psychology, we give necessary interventions on how to improve and how to really increase the stamina and the mental toughness of a certain student or a certain athlete. And that it will help them boost their self-confidence. And ako sir, ibalik akong trabaho sa psychometrician. So, in connection with that, as a psychometrician, we give interventions, we give proper guidance. We do not give advices because as we believe, it's like as a mental health professionals, that we only give guidance to the students. We do not give advices. We believe that people or students are capable of knowing things. We give freedom. Okay, listen mo gulo. We give advices. Kasi labihin yung kamana, dili man mo accept sa ako ang struggles. Yang kanunay, no? Yang insist ang iyang dihatag ng mga advices. So, as a in conclusion, no, as a role model or a mental health professional here in a school setting, as a psychometrician, we ensure that the mental health of students are well prepared, or shall we say very taken care of. Okay, very important to know mental health, especially we encounter stress, we encounter difficulties in life, and we also have different challenges in life. So as a team of professionals who are capable of giving mental health and physical health, you know, we ensure that our services are really useful to the students. Yeah, that's it.
Do we have a program here in the study college?
So, pertaining to program, our guidance counselors have different programs here in Crystal E. For example, if there are students that are absent, they will be referred to the guidance counselor for for counseling. Okay, pasig na yung mga tao na na-absent sila kay tungod sa family problem, financial problems, and also basig struggle sila sa ilang studies. And also in my programs in a psychometrician, I give tests for referrals. I give tests for the incoming first year, second year, third year, fourth year. I have created a website that will give a test, no, administer ko test, and then after na kanang mga data na akong na-gather, ako na siyang i-interpret. Then after, I will make a research about that. Then after the research, I will publish it to the school, and maybe pwede siya i-publish sa national or the Philippines or international PDSAD. Ika na siyang data na ako mag-gather, gamit na siya for intervention sa ACAD, na mahibaw ang mga teachers, mahibaw ang atong dean, mahibaw ang atong BP ACAD na usa na nahitabo sa mga estudyante. I give enzyme diagnostic test and personality test. Ano siya ang program. Then, ma-receive receive ang mga results via email sa mga estudyante. So, na ang data na to, pila ilahang score sa enzyma, then unsa ilahang level of competency, nabay sila sa highly proficient down to the poor. Then if nabilong sila sa below average and poor, so they will take remedial. So kana na remedial program is from the ACAD na siya na program. So kami nag-collaborate sa ACAD, myself and the ACAD, so that kung say results sa akong diagnostic test and the personality test, ako siya yung yatan sa ACAD for intervention or enhanced program nila. Sige, thank you for
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Sige, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sige.
Thank you, sir.